Welcome back to Life Tips. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Mediterranean diet and lifestyle. You might think it's only for those living near the Mediterranean Sea, but guess what? It's not. I'm Dr. Manju, and if you want to learn how to lead a healthier and more fulfilling life, stay tuned because we've got some mind-blowing facts for you. Imagine the Mediterranean diet is a superhero for your health. It's not just about what you eat, it's about how you live. This research, conducted in the United Kingdom, shows that adopting not just the diet but also the Mediterranean lifestyle can make you feel like a health superhero. What do you mean by a Mediterranean diet? Let's break it down first. Well, it's not just a diet, it's a whole lifestyle. It's like a plant-powered way of living, focusing on loads of veggies, fruits, and healthy fats. That sounds interesting. Is it effective? Absolutely. Scientists conducted a massive study in the UK, observing over 110,000 people for years. They found it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat and how happy you are. That's impressive, isn't it? They have discovered 3 main lifestyle blocks. So, let's explore the 3 lifestyle blocks of the Mediterranean diet and lifestyle. They're like the pillars of this Mediterranean lifestyle. The first is about what you eat, emphasizing plant-based foods. The second is about your eating habits, like enjoying meals and savoring the experience. And the third is all about happiness, which plays a big role in your overall well-being. It sounds like a holistic approach to health and well-being. It's not just about following a diet plan, it's about adopting a way of life that nurtures your body and mind. Okay, let's talk food. What's on your plate when you're a Mediterranean hero? It's like creating a colorful masterpiece on your plate. Picture it as a rainbow with vibrant fruits, veggies, and wholesome legumes. It's not just about what you eat, but how you enhance your meals. You can use superhero-like healthy fats such as olive oil, nuts, and seeds to boost your powers. Interesting. And what about grains? Grains are crucial. Instead of processed stuff, go for whole grains. They're like the foundation of your superhero meal, providing long-lasting energy and essential nutrients. Are there any food items I should be cautious about? Definitely. Beware of the villains: too much dairy, meat, and alcohol. They can sneak in and overpower the goodness you've built on your plate. How can you be a Mediterranean hero in your daily life? Let's find out. You could try something simple yet delicious, like salmon with asparagus. It's a classic Mediterranean combination that's packed with flavor and nutrients. How about exploring international cuisines? You can venture into Italian or Japanese dishes to keep things exciting. It's like going on a culinary adventure right in your own kitchen. When dining out, pick restaurants that offer both healthy and tasty options. This way, you can enjoy a delicious meal without compromising on your health goals. Supermarkets often have pre-cut veggies available, which can save you a ton of time in the kitchen. It's like having your own kitchen assistant. Here's the deal, superheroes. The Mediterranean diet and lifestyle aren't just for movies, they're for real life. Let's try to start being a little more Mediterranean every day. Small changes can lead to big health wins. It might just be your ticket to a thriving gut and a happier, healthier life. If you're loving these tips on the Mediterranean lifestyle, make sure to hit that subscribe button below for more health and lifestyle adventures. And if you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. Let's inspire them to become Mediterranean heroes too. Your insights and experiences are so valuable to us and the entire community. Let's learn from each other and keep making positive changes towards a healthier lifestyle. We're building a community of Mediterranean enthusiasts here, and your participation means the world to us. So, don't be shy, hit subscribe, share, and comment below. Let's make this journey together.